turn it up on them. And me no care who the fuck them be. Tell them Jack control my destiny. Them not see the half a we. Yeah, we come from the worst place. Worst place.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. And I am back in the to put another video for you guys. Right now outside with the bomb clock kitchen lighter. Don't play with me. But anyways, people, we have Guyana again. Guyanese people, how are you all doing? We have the Wavy Gang today. You see me? So we have Davy Marley today. Song called Ruff Diamond. Official video, people. Let's shout out to Cool Blast Entertainment. Let's shout out to Carla Kid. People, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, we're to 50,000 subscribers. It's real. Comment on this video. This is your comment where in the next video that I post. You know the reaction boss don't play with people. Now y'all know the history with Davy Marley, you know. One of the baddest artists out Guyana right now in the dark. With the bad song them and the hot song them in the dark. You see me I say, make us see what I'm going for the one of people. Shout out to the Wavy Gang. Follow me on Instagram, Tyrekevlogs. Get me to 10,000 followers. I'm much. 1,000. Yes, it's getting there. It's getting there. 1,800 followers away from 10K. Go follow me right now if you're not following me on Instagram. Tyrekevlogs. See that right over here. So, Red June!
Wavy Gang.
Wavy Gang.
Yeah, on to some fish. Listen, watch out now. Yeah, a fresh Nike or a Wallaby. Yeah, me do it for the street because them and a we. And every girl out the road said them proud of we. But we not bust.
Hold on. Every girl out the road said them proud of you. If you're not night, then a Wallaby. Basically, I'm say, I throw desert clocks me after them when I have the Wallaby here. And see me have a desert clocks. Straight foot, cut off foot. Go on!
Me want to see who the prophet be. Rough it up. Up and up and up. Tell them we don't give a fuck. Up and up. Tell bad mind shut up.
Alright.
Rough it up.
Alright, rough it up.
Wavy Gang.
What the fire emotions on the people? What the fire emotions on the people?
Watch out now. Yeah, a fresh Nike or a Wallaby. Yeah, me do it for the street because them and a we. And every girl out the road said them proud of we. But we not bust. Me want to see who the prophet be. Rough it up.
Which handicap talk about Davy Marley not bust? Who said that? Go check your temperature, man. Go check your temperature, man. One buckle, me last time. Go check your temperature, man. If you cool. How was that? Go on.
Up and up and up. Tell them we don't give a fuck.
No fuck giving.
Up and up. Tell bad mind shut up.
Shut up.
Rough it up.
Alright then.
Up and up and up.
Fuck it up now.
Then when we cool down, we are gonna turn it up on them. Cause me no care who the fuck them be. Tell them Jack.
Before you start spitting in that verse here, the handicap them want, you have to cool down. No! Look how we are gonna do. Listen what we are gonna do.
We cool down, we are gonna turn it up on them. And me no care who the fuck them be. Tell them Jack control my destiny. Them not see the half a we. Yeah, we come from the worst place. Worst place. No games, no monopoly. Bet your life, so me not lose. All them do a chat, a must see cartoon. Head hot, but we are cool. Dog lies said them head top.
Put on the ear lyrics. All them do a chat, them must see cartoon. But I know that to catch my ears. That is not what caught my ears. That is not what caught my ears. We're hot. We're head hot. But we act cool. Red June.
Piece of fast food. So rough it up. Up and up and up. Tell them we don't give a fuck.
Not at all.
Up and up.
Alright then.
Tell bad mind shut up.
Shut up.
Rough it up. Up and up and up. Then when we cool down, we are gonna turn it up on them. And we feel run the streets just like Chuck shoes. And we don't give a fuck, we couldn't act blues. Them gyal give we heads.
And them life that we are talk about in the dog. Get a pull me in the room for come give us some. Oh my word. Them gonna give me come here, Tyreek. Yeah. Pull me in the room. Beat up the John. Send him back outside. You don't know that, go. Return!
And she a go on like a vacuum. Rifle that you feel be rifle. And we not play like Tyson. Me see the pussy fake dog. Yo.
Like, you know what me I do? Intimation time. Right now, people. Know what you want to do. Me know where you come some fire emoji, but guess where? When you click the link that's pinned in the comment section, go watch Davy Marley video for yourself. Go watch the video and comment some fire emoji under his video and let him know say the reaction bar selling over there. So if you watch the video right now, dog, do this to me. Me I talk to you. Yeah, looking at me, Adam. You me I talk to. Yes, you! Click the link down below. Go watch the original video, the official video. Chop some fire emojis. Let him know say the reaction bar send you over there, so support the thing. Right, June!
One disciple, 30 pieces silver couldn't save you. Rough it up, up and up and up. Tell them we don't give a fuck. Up and up, tell bad man shut up. Rough it up and up and up.
Nah, listen, nah. I like how them wavy gang shirt that looks still, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, man, we rock them in a reaction them soon still. As you may say, you can swing cross. Some of them over on the ends or something. You don't know you're chopping a damn. You can get big over here with them look wavy gang shirt that's still. You don't know you're chopping a damn. Go on!
Then when we cool down, we are gonna turn it up.
Hold on. A competition there, brother.
Then when we cool,
yeah, ask who are in the youth. Yeah, try. If I try out to my glass game, people, he don't know about the reaction boss, you know. He don't know about the reaction boss, you know. Hey boy, let me tell you this, you know. You saw me go so boom and put on my glass upside down, you're dead. You saw me go so boom and put on my glass so you're dead. You're dead. I'm go so boom and fix it up straight now. Bumbo clat, the girl panty wet up. Don't test me. Don't test me, youth. You can't come test the glass game. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna wear like this today. You feel like. Unbuckler, you feel like. Don't try to test the reaction boss in the glass game. How we run this? Them can't test. I want the unbuckler. Hey boy, go on!
we are gonna turn it up on them. You see all the way. Lincoln connected to the supreme source of energy called the Most High. But some we not the capacity to access it. Because more time is led by fear and jealousy.
Your glass weak, youth. Your glass weak. Baby glass you have. Baby glass you have, youth. Bumbuckle belt there. Baby glass. Myself in a bumbuckle, Davy. Rough diamond. You don't know what chopping up. Big up director DEX. That's how you pronounce. Big up yourself. You don't know what chopping. Reaction boss. See. Alright. What's going on right here? Davy Marley no feature so we don't have to say nothing. You ain't messing with the man. Click the link down below. Go follow Davy Marley on Instagram. Go check out him song for yourself. Go subscribe to him YouTube channel again. Is he message subscribe to Cool Box also. Follow him on Instagram. Follow Killer King on Instagram. Everything down below in the description. That you guys need to know about. You feel me? And you know I keep my videos right. I don't edit shit, so yeah, go see all the mistakes that I make. You feel me? Because we family over here. So support me and support you. Because that's what I go. Where you go? Yeah? Me gone? What you say? Peace out? Peace out!